Hello. Welcome to Easy English.
With David and Alice.
Here, we speak English.
Slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Listen
Repeat,
and practice with us.
relax.
And let's start.
Hello, everyone. Hello and welcome. How are you today? I am David. I am very happy you are here with us today.
Hi, everyone. Hi, David. I am Alice. I am happy too. Today feels calm.
Yes, it feels calm. The day feels slow. The weather feels nice. Maybe it is sunny, maybe it is cloudy. Either way, we are here together.
Yes, we are together. I like slow days. I like calm voices.
Me too, Alice. Today, we will speak slowly. We will relax. We will listen, and we will practice easy English together.
That sounds good. What is our topic today, David?
Good question, Alice. Today, our topic is very simple. Our topic is repeat after me, easy English practice.
Repeat after me. Easy English practice.
Yes, repeat after me. This means you listen, then you speak. You say the same words, slowly, clearly, one step at a time.
Oh, so listeners will listen first, then they will repeat.
Exactly. Again, listen first, then repeat. This is very good for English learners.
I like that. It feels friendly.
Yes, and today we will not rush. We will take our time. We will say sentences more than one time.
That helps me feel calm.
Good. Before we start, let's do some small talk. How are you feeling today, Alice?
I feel okay. A little tired, but listening to English helps me wake up.
That is very normal. Many people feel tired. Some listeners may be cooking. Some may be walking. Some may be resting.
Yes, some people listen while working.
Exactly. That is why we speak slowly. That is why we repeat.
So listeners do not feel stressed.
Yes, no stress. Only slow English. Only easy practice.
I like that.
All right, let us begin slowly. Remember, our topic is repeat after me, easy English practice. We will focus on simple sentences, daily English, real life.
I am ready.
Me too. Let's go step by step.
Before we start, can I ask something?
Of course, Alice.
Should listeners speak out loud?
Yes, very good question. Listeners should speak out loud if they can. Speak softly, speak slowly.
Repeat after you.
Yes, repeat after me. Again, repeat after me.
That feels clear now.
Wonderful. Now, before the lesson continues, let's say something important to our listeners.
Oh, yes.
If you like this video, please like it.
Yes, please like the video.
And if you are new, please subscribe.
Subscribe to Easy English with David and Alice.
Yes, we make slow and calm English videos.
Very easy English.
Exactly. And you can listen every day.
That helps your English grow slowly.
Slowly is good. Slowly is strong.
I like that idea.
Now, let's begin our core lesson.
Okay, I am listening.
Our first idea is very simple. We start with greetings.
Greetings like hello.
Yes, greetings like hello.
That is easy.
Let's say it together. Repeat after me. Hello.
Hello.
Again. Hello.
Hello.
Very good. Now another greeting. Hi.
Hi.
Again. Hi.
Hi.
In real life, we say hello or hi every day.
Yes, to friends, to family.
Exactly. At work, at school, at a shop.
For example, when I see you, I say, "Hi, David."
And I say, hello, Alice.
Simple and clear.
Again, greetings are easy. Hello, hi.
Hello. Hi.
Let's add another greeting. Good morning.
Good morning.
Again, good morning.
Good morning.
We say good morning in the morning.
So when I wake up, I say, "Good morning."
Yes, at work in the morning, you say good morning.
That feels polite.
Very polite. Now, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Again, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And in the evening, we say good evening.
Good evening.
Again, good evening.
Good evening.
Very good. This is our first idea. Greetings. Simple, clear. Repeat after me.
I feel confident with greetings.
That is good. Let's move slowly to the next idea.
Okay.
Our next idea is asking how someone feels.
Like, how are you?
Exactly. Repeat after me. How are you?
How are you?
Again, how are you?
How are you?
This is very common in everyday English.
People ask it all the time.
Yes, and we can answer simply, I am fine.
I am fine.
Again, I am fine.
I am fine.
Another answer is, I am good.
I am good.
Again, I am good.
I am good.
Or we can say, I am okay.
I am okay.
Again, I am okay.
I am okay.
In real life, someone asks, how are you?
And I answer, I am fine.
Yes, very simple, very natural.
No long sentence.
Exactly. Keep it easy.
That helps beginners.
Again, repeat after me. How are you?
How are you?
I am fine.
I am fine.
Good. Let's continue slowly.
I am ready.
Our next idea is talking about daily actions.
Like eating breakfast or working?
Yes, very simple actions. For example, I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Again, I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Another example, I go to work.
I go to work.
Again, I go to work.
I go to work.
We can also say, I go to school.
I go to school.
Again, I go to school.
I go to school.
In real life, people talk about their day.
They say simple things.
Yes, like, I work today.
I work today.
Again, I work today.
I work today.
Or, I stay at home.
I stay at home.
Again, I stay at home.
I stay at home.
These sentences are short. They are easy.
And we can repeat them many times.
Exactly. Repetition helps memory.
That makes sense.
Let's practice more. Repeat after me. I drink water.
I drink water.
Again, I drink water.
I drink water.
Very good. Now, I like tea.
I like tea.
Again, I like tea.
I like tea.
We can also say, I like coffee.
I like coffee.
Again, I like coffee.
I like coffee.
Simple likes, simple actions.
It feels friendly.
Good. Now, let us move to interactive practice.
Oh, I like that part.
Me too. Dear listeners, please repeat after me. Say it slowly.
Listen first, then repeat.
Ready? Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine.
I am fine.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
Very good. Let's do it again.
Again is good.
Hello.
Hello.
I am okay.
I am okay.
I drink water.
I drink water.
Excellent. Now let's pause for a second.
Okay.
How do you feel, Alice?
I feel more confident now.
That is great. Confidence grows with repetition.
Repeat after me really helps.
Yes. Now let's move to real-life scenarios.
Real life sounds exciting.
First scenario, a restaurant.
Okay.
Imagine you walk into a restaurant.
I'm walking in.
The waiter says, "Hello."
Hello.
You say, "Hello."
Hello.
The waiter asks, "How are you?"
How are you?
You answer, "I am fine."
I am fine.
Then you say, "I want water."
I want water.
Again, "I want water."
I want water.
Very good. Simple and clear.
That feels easy.
Next